Today we're going to replace the battery for a Genie garage door opener. The model number is G3T-A. Looks like this. The battery that you're going to use is a 2032. I'll leave the links in the description below. I also have a coin, but you can also use a flathead screwdriver to open up the compartment. So as you can see, there is a plastic case and there is a rivet on the top of the case. So you want to put a coin in there. This works the best. So just slide the coin in there and just rotate it and it pops the case open. And when you open it inside, you see the board is here. You can just drop the board here and you'll see the place with the battery. This battery, it can just be slid up and down, so we can just slide this up and remove it. And now we're going to put the new battery in. Okay, this is the new battery, the 2032, and you see the lettering and the plus sign. What you're going to do is just look at the circuit board and just drop it in with the lettering facing you, the plus sign facing you. So you can just push it in, slide it in. Then you can put the board back on the opposite side of the casing. You can take your original case and you can just press it together. And you can just click it, press it together like a sandwich. And once it fully clicks, you have replaced the battery for your Genie G3T-A. And it's as easy as that. I'll leave the links in the description below.